It's Satsuma harvest time here in Louisiana, and we're here out at the Bird and Research Station and Gardens in their Satsuma orchard grove, and these trees are just full of Satsumas. Now, Satsumas are the most cold hardy of the citrus that we can grow here in Louisiana. It does great. Homeowners can grow these, and there's lots of good cultivars like Owari, Brown Select, Armstrong, and there are a few early varieties like Early Louisiana or St. Anne that you can harvest. Some of these you can harvest later in the season, but this is a great evergreen tree, can be used in an edible landscape. The hardest thing about these things is getting them to last through a hard freeze. Now, we don't get a whole lot of those in Louisiana, and you can take some precautions when we know that we're going to get some very cold weather below 20 degrees Fahrenheit for greater than 4 to 6 hours. You can try and protect these, but these will produce fruit year after year. There are some issues with citrus canker and citrus greening that are giving our industry a run for their money, but we've got a lot of research going on with the LSU AgCenter, and these are just some great trees locally available. Go to the nurseries, you can pick these up. Don't require a whole lot of care, but are a great edible fruit addition to your home garden. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.